I'm really excited to announce that Ultravision Lighting Australia and Mad Matt 4-Wheel Drive, we've formed a partnership. One of the key reasons I was keen for this partnership was we share common values. I love Australian manufacturing. I used to run a manufacturing business. I love quality products because I'm sick of buying something cheap and then having to buy it again when it lets me down. And I've found that with Ultravision Lighting, those two principles are core to their very being and their DNA. And those there are the original spotlights that I got from them 10 years ago. And they're still performing as well as the day that I put them on my first 80 series. Then I sold that vehicle and built another 80 series. Again, it was a white one. And these lights came across and ran on that vehicle. And they did a superb job. And then I bought the Blue 105 series, and my son Jesse bought his first 80 series, and we did that up for him, and it was a beautiful vehicle, and I put these lights on that vehicle. And then we were on a family holiday down in the Victorian High Country when he had a rollover and damaged the bull bar, which is still running today. And as a result of that, we built this 80 series, which we called the COVID 80. And I know many of you have seen this vehicle before, and it's still running those same spotlights. And I think that's a testament to the Australian quality that Ultravision provides in their lights. Nowadays, I've got the 200 series, which is running their new 180 watt Nitro Max spotlights and their single row 180 watt light bar up on the roof there. So I've got even more light, new technology, new innovation going on. But have a look at this bit of footage where we compare the old and the new. So I've got the two vehicles lined up down the airstrip here. Let's put these lights on and just see what 10 years of development has done. But let's also see how good 10-year-old spotlights are. Come on, turn them on. That's not too bad, is it? 10 years of those lights, and they've been on a number of different vehicles, and they're still working as good as the day that we put them on the first vehicle. So that's a 120 watt light. Let's turn on the 180 watt lights, which is the latest from Ultravision Lighting. And these are, they're next level again. They are a great light to drive under. And that's where the quality of the Australian-made product really comes into play. It just keeps working, and you take this product from vehicle to vehicle. There's so many stories that these lights have to tell. Like, for example, you'll see these little white dots. That's polish. Because when I polished this vehicle a number of years ago, I got a bit of overspray on there, and well, it stayed. So, you know, but even the powder coating is still holding together. It's not chipped or cracked. It's still on there protecting the core metal of the body of the light. The stainless steel brackets that these lights are mounted on have been over thousands of corrugations and rough roads, and they're not cracking or fatiguing in any way. The lights are solidly mounted just the way they should be. The polycarbonate lens on the front here is, although we've lost the actual covers for the lights, the core polycarbonate is still strong. It's not cracked or scratched or any other issues that are degrading the quality of the light. Every single LED still works. Now, obviously, technology in LED has come a long way, and there is some improvements in the new lights. There is no doubt about that. But I just love the fact that Ultravision was creating an innovative product way back then. A product with 5-year warranty, Australian made, and just made so well that they last so good. At the end of the day, if I paid $1,500 for these lights, after 10 years, that's $150 a year to have good quality lights on the front of my vehicle. And you know what? They're not done yet. I've still got value to get out of them. So I think that's an important consideration when you're looking at the Ultravision products. Yes, you might think, oh, that's a bit steep, but when you consider that those lights will go from vehicle to vehicle to vehicle with you, they offer really good quality lights at a really good value for money proposition. So that's why I'm really proud to be working with Ultravision Lighting Australia and one of their ambassadors. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.